goodness. It's very windy. Alright. Not all geese get along. The ducks have had their fill, and they are headed over there. I'm sorry for that. Here. I'm not the only one who enjoys nicotine, it seems. I don't do cigarettes, but normally old people do, and that's absolutely fine. This is America, after all. Oh, poor duck. Oh, the duck from the other side. He's always on the other side. Him and someone else. He's coming over here. Perhaps get some of the healthy duck feed. Should I go back and get more? Is that the problem? Should I go back and get more? I mean, they haven't even finished the pile. I dropped them. I think they're just fighting for territory. I think it's just a territory thing right now. Territorial. I'm sorry. It's so windy, you fell over. As in you, I mean the camera. So, I don't really, I'm not sure. Look at him. You never come by to visit. He's gone nuts. Zonks. Excuse me. Oh! Oh. Oh, that's why he doesn't come by to visit. Because of the geese. Oh, goodness. Well, hold on. This is a lot. More than I expected. Including the squirrel. Yes, why not? Why don't I? If they'd stop fighting, why don't I go get some more healthy duck feed very quickly and come right back? Because I'm not sure if they're doing that for territory or for what. They're so used to all the, I guess, junk food, yellow popcorn. It's so cold out. Alright then. Well, hold on. Let me grab my things. Grab my things really quickly. Oh. I don't know what's the deal with YouTube. They either You're allowed to smoke a cigar or not. I don't know. They didn't care before. Now they do. I'm not sure. I'll definitely get more duck feed. Hold on. Look at them. They're all angry. Mad. Very mad indeed. Hold on. Well, hold on. I need to come back. It'll take me a while. I'm just using my legs here. Look at him. Oh. Yeah, I'll definitely get more duck feed for them. I don't really enjoy seeing them fight like that. So I'll just head back with my legs. I don't really, not sure.